What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr. Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw that crease in between the eyes. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going up. Now we're going to move over towards the left side and draw the inside edge of the brow. Starting out here, curve up, and bend that out. Line this up on the right side, go up and out towards the right. Let's curl the inside of the brow, starting on the left. Curve in and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the brow, starting on the left side, angle up and in, and then we'll taper the eyebrow back in towards the brow. So we're going to come in, and then bend that down. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. On the outside corner, we're going to step in, curve the eye coming down, and bending that in. Go over towards the right side, come down, and then in towards the same height. And then we'll draw on the bottom of the eye. Starting back on the left, just bend this up, and then down, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the inside, we're just going to angle up and in underneath the eyebrow. Now we're going to tuck the pupils underneath the eyebrow. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle. Coming down, and then up. Line this up on the right side. Draw that same size half circle. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now I'm going to add a shadow across the bottom of each eye. Starting back on the left, just going to follow the same curve of the eye going up and then in. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's go back to that center line, step down, draw a straight line coming down towards the tip of the nose. And from here, it's going to angle up and out towards the left and right side. And then from the top of that center line, I'm just going to curve down and then out towards the right. Let's draw the mouth shifted over towards the right side. So we're going to start on the bottom left, angle up and out. And we'll bend the mouth going out and up towards the right, and we'll add a bracket. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw a short curve going out and up. Let's go back to the center of the mouth, step down, draw a short line going across for the lower lip. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the bottom corner of the eyebrow, we're going to step out and draw a straight angled line. Coming down, and then in towards the jaw. Let's line this up on the right side. Down and in towards the same height. And then from the jaw, we'll draw two straight angle lines coming in towards the chin. Start on the left, down, and in. And then we'll round out the chin. Starting back on the left, curve this down, and then back up. Let's move back up to the top and draw in the hairline. Starting back on the left, curve this up and in with a short line. Draw a short line going out towards the side, and we'll curve this up towards the top. Starting back on the left, curve up and in. Now we're going to pull the hairline coming down towards the center, but we're going to overlap a hair strand on the right side. So let's start on the left. Just going to curve this in and then down towards the middle, and then we'll add in that hair strand. Starting back in the center, curve up and out. And we'll bend this out and then down on top of the right eyebrow. Let's go up to this top point, just round up the top, and then we'll taper this down towards the bottom. Out and then down. Let's close off the right side. Starting from the center, curve up and in behind, continue on the outside. I also want to accentuate the brow, so we start over on the left side, draw a curve going up and then out, line this up on the right, just tuck this up underneath the hair strand. Let's move out to the side and draw in the ears. From this point, I'm just going to curve the ear going up and then out. Let's round out the ear, pull that back in. And then from here, I'm just going to curve this down and in behind the side of the head. Let's add the folds inside the ear. From the top, step down, curve up, and then out. And then from the outside, we'll step in, curve out, and back in. Let's go to the inside of that fold, curve out, and then hook that in. Now we're going to go and add those spikes. Let's start with the one in the center. We start over on the left side. We're going to go up, then that over towards the right, coming down, and then back out. Let's add two along the side, starting from the bottom, curves out, and up, go over towards the right, and we'll pull that out, and then back in toward the top of the hairline. Now we're going to draw two large spikes going up in an angle. Let's start from the bottom left, angle up and out with a straight line. And then from here we're going to come down and in on top of the ear with a straight angled line. Let's add two more spikes inside this gap. We're going to start on the left, curves out, up, bend this down, and then in. Let's add another one on the inside. Starting up here, go up, bend that in, and I'll curve that down and in behind that center spike. Let's add one main spike in the back. Starting on the left side, goes up and in. We'll add a fold, curving up and across, go straight down, and bend that out towards the right. Let's go back down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side of the chin, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, go out, and down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom, starting back on the left, curve down, and then up. Let's go back over towards the left hip, step up and draw the top of the belt. Curving down, and then up, and we'll add some folds. On the left side, step down, curve down and in. From the bottom right, step up, curve down and in. Now move back up and draw the inside of the vest. From the top of the body, we'll step in, curve down, and then in towards the middle, go up on the right, step in, and down, and then in. And then from the top, step down, curve down, and then back up on the right. Let's add some folds along the bottom, starting on the left, curve out, and then up. Let's draw the outside of the sleeve. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, curve out, and then up. Line this up on the right side, and we'll angle up and in behind the head. Let's add a fold along the bottom. Start from that bottom point, curve out and up on both sides. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we'll start with a straight line coming down. From the bottom, curve down and out toward the left and right side. Let's go to the outside of the hip, curve the leg going out, and then bending that in. And we'll draw the bottom of the pant, adding a fold. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve out, down, and then in. And then we'll add a fold on either side, starting back on the left, curve out, and then down. Now we tuck the feet in underneath the pant, starting on the inside of the left leg, curve out, and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. We start from the toe, we're going to curve up, and then bend that down towards the heel. And then from the outside of the leg, draw a straight angled line coming down in behind the foot. Let's add some detail to the boots. We're going to take this curve, step up, and draw the top of the strap, going all the way back down towards the heel. Let's add that stripe on the outside of the foot. From the top left, step in, draw that same angled line, come down towards the bottom, curve out, and then down. Let's draw the inside of the stripe. Stepping in, come down in behind the strap, all the way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start from the top of the shoulder, step down, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. Line this up on the right. And we'll curl around the thumb. Starting from the wrist, curve up, and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. Now we're going to draw 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the outside of the thumb, draw a half oval. Going out and then in, step down, draw that again, pull that up underneath the thumb. Do that one more time. Let's draw the inside edge of the wristband. Starting from the top of the wrist, curve in, down. Now it's going to pull this up underneath the bottom finger. And then from the inside of the hand, curve the arm coming in and up behind the body. Let's go back up to the top of the wrist, step in, draw the inside of the wristband coming in and then out on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's Mystic Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.